Hello kids, today we are going to learn a new topic in English grammar, that is alphabetical order. So are you all ready to learn this new topic? Come on, let's begin. You all know that English alphabets has 26 letters and they all are arranged in a particular order. Now this order or sequence in which they are arranged is called the alphabetical order. Children, this alphabetical order is also called the ABC order. Which order? ABC order. Now when your teacher takes attendance in the class, she calls out your names which are arranged in alphabetical order. And these arranged names are written in the attendance register book, correct? Or if you want to find out the meaning of any word in the dictionary, you will find it arranged in alphabetical order. Now let us learn to arrange different words in alphabetical or ABC order. Come on, let's begin. Now children, have a look. Here we have 4 words: clouds, tree, flower and bird. Now first step what we are going to do is, we are going to underline the first letter of all the words. So we have C, T, F and B. Now according to the first letter, we are going to arrange all the 4 words in alphabetical order. Now how to arrange them? Have a look. Do we have any word from A? No. From B, we have bird. So first we are going to write the word bird. Now the remaining 3 words. Have a look. Do we have any word from C? Yes, we have clouds. So second we are going to write clouds. Okay. Now the third one. Do we have any word from D, E, F? Yes, from F we have flower. So the third word will be flower. And the last remaining word, tree, we will write it last. Have you all understood this example, children? In the same manner, we are going to do one more example. You all like to eat pizza, burgers, right? So here's one example related to that. Here we have pizza, chocolate, burger and donut. Now we are going to arrange all these food items in alphabetical order. Okay? So first step, we are going to underline the first letters of all the words, that is P, C, B and D. Now accordingly, we are going to arrange them in alphabetical order. So we don't have any word from A. We have burger from B. So first we'll write burger. Next from C we have chocolate. So the second one will be chocolate. Next from D we have donut. So the third one will be donut. And the last remaining word pizza will be written last. So here we have all the food items arranged in alphabetical order. Children, I hope you have understood this second example as well. Now let us look at the third example. Here we have bus, bed, boat. Now children, if you look at the first letter of all the words, it's the same. That is B. We have B for bus, B for bed and B for boat. Then how do we arrange them in ABC order? Don't worry. In such case, we have to see the second letter of all the words and then arrange the words in ABC order. So now here we have U, E and O. So now let us arrange these second letters according to the alphabetical order. Now, we don't have any word from A, B, C and D. We have bed, that is B-E-D, bed, from the letter E. So first bed will come. After bed, we have boat, B-O-A-T. We have O after E. Okay, so second one will be boat. And the remaining word, last word, that is bus, it will be written third. So here we have the alphabetical order, that is bed, boat and bus. Understood? Now one more example we'll see. Here we have penguin, pigeon and parrot. Okay? Now here also the first letter of all the words is P. So what do we do, children? We look at the second letter, that is E, I and A. Now we have parrot. Second letter of parrot is A, so we write parrot first. After that, we have penguin remaining and pigeon remaining. So whether E comes first or I comes first? Tell me. Very good. E comes first. So the second word will be penguin. And the last remaining word will be pigeon. So have you all understood this example, children? Wasn't learning this alphabetical or ABC order topic easy? What do you think? I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for learning this topic with me. Stay connected for more such videos.